everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make clicky slime. This is a really simple recipe. Super simple and easy to make. Please subscribe if you want more, like and comment, and stay tuned to the end of this video when I show you some comments and some shoutouts from a couple of my other videos, or just one of them. So let's get on to the video now. First you'll need a bowl or some sort of something to mix it in. Something to mix with, like a spoon. Some white PVA glue. I'm using this Crayola one, but any PVA glue will work. Some clear PVA glue. I'm using this Elmer's one. Any type of liquid soap. I'm using this hand soap in Peach Mango from Good Housekeeping. Then you'll need some lotion. I'm just using this one by Fruits and Flowers. And of course you'll need your activator, which is 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of hot water. And optional is food coloring and paint. You can also add glitter or sequins or pretty much whatever you like to your slime. You'll also need a container or containers to put your slime in. First, in your bowl, put in about a tablespoon of your white glue. Now add half a tablespoon of your clear PVA glue. Now add in about a teaspoon of your liquid soap. And then about a teaspoon of your lotion. The brand doesn't matter at all for any of these. For the glue, they have to contain PVA, but the brand does not matter for any of these. Just to let you know. You can put your food coloring in now, but I'm going to choose to put it in later. Now we're going to mix all of this together. The texture should look something like this. Pretty thick. And creamy. Now take your activator and add it slowly in and mix. It should start to clump together right away. If you like, you can use a weaker activator. That's a half a teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of hot water. If you want it to take a bit slower, and so that it doesn't clump up as fast, and you can make it a little bit like waterier. And that's what I'm doing. Instead of the 1 teaspoon of borax, I'm using a half a teaspoon. It's just a weaker activator. It also makes your slime, It does make your slime thinner though. So if you like more of a thicker slime, you might want to go with the stronger activator. So I'm just going to slowly add in small amounts of my activator until it forms into slime. It may look like nothing's happening, but that's just because I'm making it very slowly. But it will start to come together. If you're using a thicker or stronger activator, by now it should be pretty much done. But since I'm using a weaker activator, I have to add twice as much of the activator. But as you can see, it is starting to clump up. So I'm going to come back when it's done. So now I'm at this point. It's a little sticky and it needs to be kneaded. So you just want to knead this until it's not sticky anymore and add activator if needed. And that's how you make clicky slime. Mine's not too clicky, but it is pretty clicky. It's a bit thinner and it's not as thick. I like thinner slimes, but yeah. So now let's get on with the shoutouts from my slime supplies haul video. All the comments. So let's go. So on this video, the slime supplies haul, thank you for 910 views, 22 likes, and 2 dislikes. And to the comments, we have Ashley Gonzales. I'm sorry if I can't say these names. Heather Lynn, I would love to collab with you. I would love to do a slime collab. Beauty with Tina 5. #me. AJ Valdez. This one I thought was really funny. Vanessa Garcia. iFlower Amber. Mixed Gaming. Lily Sweet Potatoes. Hurricane Slimy Peep. And Unicorn Nikki. Thank you for all your sweet, sweet comments. And yeah, thank you for supporting me. Please like this video again, and please subscribe. Go follow me and my friend's Instagram at Rose Topaz Slimes. And yeah, tell me in the comments what I should do next and other slime videos you want to see. If you want to do a slime collab, tell me down in the comments and we can set something up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Have a nice day. Bye!